Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I'm sorry once again I've kept you waiting, and I always like apologizing because I know you have other duties to attend to. I have a very short statement to make. Are you ready?
No, wait.
Are you ready? Sitaki kurudia. Nataka kusema tu mara moja. Tuko tayari?
Kabisa.
Kwani ni ya diesel?
Tackle of the year. That's a tackle of the year.
Hey. Wapi Machela? Kwa mgonjwa hapa bwana.
Si upitishiwe na mwingine moto. Is it ready?
Yes, sir.
Sasa. Okay. This is my personal statement. As you all know, the President has reorganized his government this morning. I take this opportunity to thank him most sincerely for our friendship and most importantly, for the honor and privilege to have served in his government as a cabinet secretary. I'm glad that in his address, the President acknowledged that all agricultural production at all levels has gone up. During the 4 years since December 2015 that I have served in this capacity, I've gained immeasurable experience, exposure, and have an insider's view of how government works, courtesy of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta. I shall forever be grateful. The President's decision has taken me by no surprise. I thank God. I feel relieved. In the recent past, gone through a most difficult year that on a number of occasions threatened my energy and resolve. Some of you know that I've endured a lot of humiliation, and only God and my immediate family know how this made me feel. I therefore take this opportunity to thank my family, friends, and the work associates that have stood with me, by me, and given me strength during my highest and lowest moments. Thank you all. I've given my best to the assignments that I have been given, and I'm proud of my achievements. I therefore live with my head high. Moving forward, I turn my new page. I turn a new page, knowing very well that when God closes one door, He always opens another. I believe there is a door down the road. As you say in Gikuyu, Mumagari Newaji Waigire. Loosely translated, one who is on a journey should and is always ready for any eventuality. In this world, We are born with nothing and depart with nothing. We wield power for a time and leave it to others. And even in the wilderness, God provides. To my supporters, I urge you to remain calm. Be confident and do not cry for me. You all know that I'm resilient. We shall overcome. I have faced many challenges in my life's journey. What I have never failed in is to try. I have courage, determination, and faith, knowing that it will be bumpy and challenging. I shall remain as I have always been, independent, principled, and firm, as I have been throughout my political career. I shall remain faithful and live to the covenant. I will truly live to the covenant. With my experience spanning for over 25 years, I have a lot to offer. I will continue to serve this country faithfully in other capacities. Make no mistake, I'm not going anywhere. I will be with you around. I believe that in life, good health, happiness, and freedom are most important. I thank God I have held firm and I am in good health. To my brother, Honorable Munya, I wish you the very best. As you heard from the President's message this morning, and I have myself said this often, agriculture is the surest path towards the economic well-being of our people. I'm glad that the strategies that were announced this morning were on the table and we worked on them together. I support them. Lastly, to the supporters who always have something to say about others. My statement is very short, but it's not that I'm lacking in many things that I can say. Remember, for any action, there will be reaction. You keep it cool, I keep it cool. For any action, there will be reaction. I thank you.
When I was reading, do you feel betrayed at any point? I mean, the president asked you not to run for political office the other time he appointed you, and now he's relieved you. Do you at any point feel betrayed?
I believe I'll have a lot of time now. I'm free, and I've said that I'm not going anywhere. So there will be a lot to say. President appointed me. He never consulted anybody. He has relieved me my duties. He does not need any consultation anywhere. And therefore, I keep it to that for now. But there are so many things that we shall do in life. And therefore, for today, I wish not to say anything more.
But waziri, unahisi kwamba maybe huenda imekuwa ni kwa sababu ya msimamo wako kuhusiana na BBI, wewe kuonekana kufanya kazi sana na naibu rais, ndio kwa imesababisha hayo?
You know, one mistake that you make in life is to try to interpret or insinuate things that are not there. The point, President have not said anything so far. In fact, in his statement, and I've repeated, he said agriculture, production, milk, everything is at its highest. And therefore, unless you have any, I don't want to dwell in rumors, and you know where to ask those questions. So for now, and you know I'm independent. I walk this journey. So why don't you meet out there and tomorrow you ask me, what are you doing, Mheshimiwa? Yeah? That will be okay.
Mheshimiwa Kinjuri, you have been considered as a kingpin to replace President Uhuru in central Kenya. Do you think this is one of the reasons why maybe President fears you and is acting?
You know, many people say so many things. You remember, like Jesus used to ask a lot of questions. Who are you? Yeah? And he knew that you can be able to read, interpret, and do all those things. Yeah? So for me, I really don't want to say this is the reason. There can be 100 reasons.
Are we seeing you in national politics?
Yeah?
Are we seeing you in national politics?
national politics. So I told you I'm going nowhere. Why are you able to interpret why I'm relieved and you don't want to interpret my statement? I'm not going anywhere.
Waziri, just a question here. Please, you talked about you saw this coming. How long have you been seeing it coming? Because some have been doing even stories. We have interpreted, remember the October 2018 event at the trade fair when the president even switched to his native language to just talk to you about when there were issues of maize come, and you say you saw it coming. How long have you been seeing it coming?
I said I was not surprised. I didn't say anywhere in my statement I saw it coming. I said I was not surprised.
Yeah, when you say I was not surprised, it means you saw it coming.
You know, when you read a book, you start with the introduction, you go to the body, you cannot read it. Only a very short book you can read overnight. This is a long one. It has so many pages. We shall read it.
And just tied to that.
Calm, be patient.
Just tied to that.
Yeah?
During your tenure, 4 years in this docket, there have been lots and lots of issues. The maize come, when you talk about farmers, the fertilizer, and you say the ministry has been doing well. So I fail to understand how can you rate yourself even as you're leaving?
You know, I'm always patient with the journalist. Because you tell the truth, although sometimes we wanaweka kobo kidogo. I'm very, very clear. This statement is loaded. I said there is a journey. Questions will come up. Tomorrow, you are not going to cover only this statement. You cover what have been said. Kenyans have spoken. Some supporting, some criticizing, some sympathizing, yeah? Some are happy. And therefore, because we are going to walk this journey, yeah? We have years to come. Yeah? We will come to discover, we shall answer questions accordingly. One thing I will not do, I will not provoke anybody. I have a responsibility, even today, to keep to the oath of the office. And therefore, I will keep to that. Issues of bedroom issues are addressed in the bedroom. I have once again said, the president is my friend. Sawa. And therefore, when time comes, when I'm provoked, when I feel it is important to talk, to disseminate any information, I will do it.
Waziri, kwa Kiswahili tu kidogo, unajua umesema kwamba ni jukumu la rais kuteua na kufuta mawaziri. Lakini kwa mtazamo wako unaona kwamba ni utendakazi wako duni uliopelekea wewe kufutwa ama ni sababu hasa ni? Hiyo sijasema kwa Kiingereza. Ile nimesoma hapo kwa Kiingereza ndio tu naweza rudia kwa Kiswahili.
Bwana Waziri, you have said that you will live by the covenant and you repeated that almost twice.
Yeah.
Maybe if you could just elaborate exactly what you meant and what this covenant is that you intend to stick to.
I'm a gentleman. I said I'm principled and I'm independent. Okay? And therefore I need nobody to think on my behalf. But I listen to other people's advice. I'm a team player. And therefore, anything I say, I put it on the table to be criticized. Even this statement, I did not write it alone. I gave out my view and what I think should be written. And because huwezi kuwa wewe mwenyewe tu ndio unajua, I give my friends opportunity also to contribute. And therefore, as I walk through, I cannot come here today say everything as if this is the end of the world, lamentation, no. So it is only good that for today, we keep to this statement.
Lakini waziri, Mheshimiwa Kionjoli, swali ya mwisho tu kuhusiana na
just for clarification. When you say that wherever there's action, there will be reaction. How are you going to react to your sacking?
Si already unani-provoke na rukisha kidogo.
Mheshimiwa Kionjoli, ya
I've
mwisho
said
tu.
it clearly that I have so many things to say, positive, negative. I've not said anything. I've just issued a statement. And in politics, things come. And when I'm provoked, I will know how to answer. Yeah? If it is well, it will be well. And therefore, hakuna haja kuzungumzia mengi for now.
Waziri spoke of being
Over time, my friend, if I start explaining everything, yeah, I will start today until January next year. I will be narrating on something.
Was it in the course of the work?
My friend, I've issued a statement. Those are the issues now. That can be another huge topic. I will answer it any other day when it is required. Sasa mniambie aigoe na msiniambie pole.
Mheshimiwa.
Kwa Kiswahili nimesema nimemshukuru rais kwa kunipatia nafasi kwa tumikia wa Kenya kwa miaka 4 kama rafiki yangu, na tutaendelea kuwa marafiki. Na tena wakati aliyosoma hotuba yake aliweka sawa kwamba wizara ya kilimo kila kitu imekuwa sawa sawa, kilimo kimeboreshwa na kwamba mazao yameongezeka, na akasema vizuri ni kipi kinatakiwa kufanyika, na akasema kwamba kumewekwa mikakati ambaye itaendelea kuendesha kilimo kiwe bora. Na kwa hiyo mikakati tumekuwa na yeye, tumekuwa pamoja na tumeiweka hiyo mikakati, na hiyo mikakati itaendelea. Na niko na furaha kwamba ile mikakati ambayo tumepanga, na ni mengi tumepanga, itaendelea. Tena haikunipata kwa mshtuko kuwa ati ameniweka kando, na nasikia furaha kwa roho yangu kwa sababu hiyo kazi imeisha, sasa naanzisha ingine. Na kwa hivyo sichashtuka kwa ile msimamo wa rais. Tena nimesema kwa karibu mwaka 1.5 nimekalia ile ofisi, nimepitia mengi na mengi mmejionea nyinyi wenyewe, lakini imekaa ngumu, nimeweka imani na mpaka sasa niko na ile ya muhimu zaidi kwa maisha ya mtu ni uzima wa mwili na afya bora. Nimetoka kwa ile ofisi nikiwa na afya bora. Nataka kuwashukuru watoto wangu, bibi yangu na marafiki wangu ambaye wamesimama kwa mimi kidete. Wamekuwa na mimi wakati ya hofu na furaha, wakati tumefanya mengi, wakati mengi yamefanyika na nimepitia wengi, wamesimama na mimi. Nataka kuwashukuru tena zaidi. Tena mnajua mlango moja ikifungika mwingine inafunguka. Na dunia iko na mengi, milima na maponde, kupanda na kushuka. Na kwa hivyo yote ambayo unapitia, shukuru Mungu. Nimekuwa na hii nafasi ya kutumikia wa Kenya kwa hiyo muda. Ni wengi sana wangetaka kutumikia kwa hiyo muda. Kwa hivyo mimi nashukuru Mungu, na sitaki kwenda kulia nikisema iliyofanyika. Lakini nataka kuhakikishia siendi popote. Niko na nitakuwa mtaani, tutasema wakisema, na dunia itaendelea. Kwa maana nimekuwa kwa siasa kwa zaidi ya miaka 25. In fact, nimefanya siasa miaka mingi kuliko ile nimeishi dunia. Na nimeona mengi. Na wale wananijua, wanajua if you require a good general, ukitaka jemedari ambaye hatakuwasha, mimi nitakuwa na wewe. Na yale nimeona na nimeamini na sukumana naye. Wakati wa Moi tulisimama. Wakati wa Kibaki tulisimama. Wakati wa Uhuru tumesimama. Na mpaka sasa tutaendelea kusimama. Na kwa hivyo hatuendi nyumbani, atikulima huko, hapana. Hapana, tutakuweko tu na tutakuwa na mengi ya kusema. Nataka kumshukuru ndugu yangu Munya kwa hiyo kazi, sasa aendelee naye. Mipango iko na tumeweka pamoja. Na mimi ningemuomba atimize hayo. Kwa sababu kilimo ndiye kinua mgongo kwa mwananchi wote wa Kenya. Na kwa hivyo tutasaidiana, na kwenye hii safari tutaenda pamoja. Kufujika kwa mwiko sio mwisho wa upishi. Tunaendelea mbele. Na tuna mengi ya kushangia kwenye nchi ya Kenya. Asanteni sana.
Mheshimiwa,
au babaiki kabisa na
na Gikuyu ore ngiri ndauga mumagari-inĩ wa njũa igĩrĩ na gũtirĩ yuraga na ndĩkie na rĩkwara no nginya rĩoto na mũthenya ũmwe ndĩrenda gũcokeria mũnene wa bũrũri ngatho mũno mũno makĩria nĩ kũhe kahinda kau ga gũtũnĩkĩra gũkorwo atĩ nĩ ndamenya ũhoro wa thirikari ũrĩa ĩthiaga wega na mbere atĩ ũmũthĩ ũyũ no nũgame na ngorwo maũndũ mothe ma thirikari nĩ ndĩmoĩ nĩ thengiũ mũno mũno makĩria no ningĩ nyũmba nĩ mũĩ ikĩrĩko iria ngereire na makara magakorwo me maingĩ mũno makĩria tũkahĩa na tũtigambe no ningĩ nĩ gwakinya mũico na nĩ mũico mwega na nĩ mũĩ wega kuma kĩambĩrĩria Jehova ndaratiganĩria ndungata ciake na koguo Ngai ũrĩa gũtuĩka minister no yo rĩkũ nginya ũmũthĩ ũyũ arĩ ũthamaki nginya ndagĩka na mega moka tukauga haleluya kĩrĩa kĩbata mũno mũno makĩria rĩ nĩ kwĩyũria rũciũ rwitũ rũrĩa rũhana mũrũgamo wakwa ũrĩa na nĩtũgũthiĩ na mbere na kũhunjia ũhoro wa ma o ũrĩa wagĩrĩire no makĩria mwathani nĩ maicio macio araheire na gũkorwo ndainũka mũciĩ ndĩna ũgima wa mũno mũno makĩria ũtamerithĩtie ndatigaga kũhanda tũkoya mwathani mega moke mbere itũ ndĩ mwana mũgĩ ndigikara mbere ya icembe na no ngũria mwathani ndathiĩ na mbere na kũhĩga na nĩguo marĩa mothe njiugaga rĩ makorwo nyũmba na mwathani na koguo gũtirĩ ũndũ ũthũkĩtwo na hanini mũiko nĩ wainĩka ngima no ĩngĩhuna no ĩgaciara rũciũ kĩro nĩ gĩitĩkaga na tũgacoka mũgũnda na koguo kĩrĩa kĩrabata nĩ tũmĩrĩrie tũnyitĩrĩre wega mũno mũno makĩria ũrĩa ngwenda kũmwĩra gũtirĩ nyũmba ĩgathara kana ĩkorwo ĩkĩinaina tũrĩ ũguo tũgũthiĩ na mbere na kwaria ũma witũ na wega witũ mwathani amũrathime nyũmba ndinathiĩ gũikara mũciĩ nĩ mũkũigua kũrĩa kũngĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩruta mũingĩ mũno wa kũruta na tũgũkorwo na kahinda kaingĩ mũno redio-inĩ na kũrĩa kũngĩ
nĩgũkorwo ndũrarĩ na mwena wa BBI ũgakorwo ũtongoria waku na ciaca ciaku cigatwarana na mũrũgamo wa mũnene wa bũrũri
ndigwĩciria nĩ kũgũrwo nĩ gũtigithio na nĩ mũnene wa bũrũri nĩwe wanjĩtĩire wĩra oya no ta kĩrĩa ũhetwo ndũngĩũria kwĩna mũrũmĩrĩre ndamenyaga igĩka atĩa igĩthira na koguo tondũ ũcio nĩ wendi wa mũnene wa bũrũri rĩ hatirĩ bata kwanjia kwaria na kanua kene tondũ mũthamaki nĩwe waria na nĩwe waririo na hĩndĩ weke koguo hatirĩ bata wa kũmũtuĩrwo na hanini no tweterere tũigue kana nĩ akuga nĩ kĩĩ gĩtũmi no ningĩ gũtirĩ kwaga andũ arĩa metagwo kunda rũrũ gũtũme tũkonia arĩa metũmaga wĩra matarĩ atũme na nĩ magũthiĩ na mbere makĩaragia bũrũri-inĩ nĩkĩ gĩatũmire kĩũnjĩrĩ atigithio wĩra acio maria rĩ nĩ tũkũmacokeria tondũ mũguĩ wa ũtukũ ũcokagĩrio harĩa wokĩra
ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yaku ya gĩthũngũ nĩ woiga marũria ona ĩno wa tondũ wĩ free ũrĩrũragia o ũrĩa marũria mahoria ũkahoria ũũ na nĩ kũhoria kũrĩkũ na nĩ
ndabĩra atĩrĩrĩ ndauga wega atĩ mũguĩ wa ũtukũ ũcokagĩrio harĩa weka atĩa wokĩra na ndauga arĩa othe mathikĩrĩria wega ndinaria ũru wa mũnene wa bũrũri na ndinaria ũru wa mũndũ o wothe o mũndũ wĩra o mũndũ ahingĩre ngui yake tondũ kwanĩaga mbembe no ĩthiĩ rũme mwana ona no ĩrũme mbũri koguo kĩrĩa kĩna bata mũno makĩria rĩ nĩ mũndũ acunge kanua gake tunĩre kanua ithigĩ na twarĩkia gwĩka ũguo rĩ mũndũ othe akoyana wĩra wake no ũngĩanĩkwo harĩa kĩng'ang'a-inĩ rĩ mũndũ agĩcokia akauga atĩrĩrĩ tondũ mwana makwa na koguo reke tweterere iria ikwario nĩ tũgũkũrana mũno makĩria nĩ ndĩkũraganaga iria ngũrĩa na iria tũgũte iria tũkũrĩa na iria tũgũte na ndĩ mũthuri mũgĩkũyũ na koguo nĩ njũĩ kũhoria ũhoro na nĩtũrĩthiaga na mbere na kũhoria ũhoro na iria cigũcokio no nĩ tũkũrora mũno makĩria to nginya ũcokie maũndũ mothe marario tondũ ũngĩthikĩrĩria mũndũ ũrĩ na kũu hingo ciothe ona ndundu ya gamba utuage no John Itega na matu